2025 Ford F-150 Raptor, the ultimate off-road beast, gets even better. Exterior design, bold and aggressive. The 2025 F-150 Raptor retains its signature aggressive stance but introduces subtle yet impactful updates. The front grille is larger and more imposing, featuring Ford's iconic Ford lettering in bold, blacked-out styling. New LED headlights and taillights with dynamic lighting sequences give the Raptor a modern, high-tech look. Interior. Luxury meets functionality. Step inside the 2025 Raptor, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with rugged functionality. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with Raptor-specific stitching, and the dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused layout. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Ford's latest Sync 5 software take center stage. Performance. Power meets precision. Under the hood, the 2025 Raptor continues to impress with its high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, now tuned to deliver 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, Ford offers an optional Raptor R package, which features a supercharged 5.2-liter V8